Hello everyone, welcome back. So here is the most important articles for your competitive exam. और इसके बाहर एक भी क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा. This is the most important articles. So start with first one. Article 1. Article 1 deals with the name and territory of the India. Okay. Article 3. Formation of new state boundaries, etc. Basically, the formation of new state and the alternation of areas, boundaries of names and existing state that deals with the article number 3. Okay. And next one is article 14, equality before law. Basically, article 14 to 18 deals with the equality. So article 14, equality before law. And article 15, provision of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Basically, it deals with the discrimination against religion, sex, place of birth, etc. Okay, this is most important. These are the most important articles ever. Okay. Article 16, equal opportunity in matters of public employment. Regarding employment, equal opportunity for all. 17, abolition of untouchability. This is the favorite question of SSC. Article 18, abolition of titles. And article 19, protection of certain rights regarding freedom of speech. Okay. And article 20, protection in respect of conviction of offenses. Article 21, protection of life and personal liberty. Remember, article 20 and 21 are not withdrawn during emergency also. So this type of question also asked, which are the articles that cannot be withdrawn during emergency. So that is article 20 and article 21. Article 21A, most important, right to elementary education. It was added 86th Amendment Act 2002. And article 22, protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. Article 23 prohibits the traffic in human, that is human trafficking. So human trafficking means forced labor, prostitution are not allowed. Okay. Article 24, no child below age of 14 years in the employ any mining factory. Okay, no child will be allowed below age of 14 years. Basically, article 23 and 24, right against exploitation. This is also asked, which are the articles right against exploitation, that is 23 and 24. Article 29, protection against minorities. And article 30, right of minorities to establish and administer educational institution. Okay, so these are the most important articles. So now further there are basically the important articles are there. 32, remedies for enforcement of fundamental rights including writs. So Indian constitution there are 5 writs. So from article 32 you have to go for High Court or Supreme Court. 39A, equally justice and free legal aid to the poor. Article 40, organization of village panchayat. Article 42 deals with the women maternity leave. After when women got pregnant, they will get the maternity leave after pregnancy. So that is article 42. Article 44, uniform code for all citizens. 51A deals with fundamental duties. Article 52, appointment of president. Article 72 deals with the power of president regarding pardons power. Article 72, council of minister advice to president. Article 108, most important, this is regarding joint sitting. And remember, joint sitting was preside over the Lok Sabha speaker and it is called by the president. Article 110, 110, that is definition of money bill, that is also important article. Article 112, that is regarding the budget. So annual financial statement deals with the article number 112, that is most important. Article 43 important, power of president consult Supreme Court. Article 155, that is appointment of governor. Article 226, that is earlier it was mentioned, the Article 32 regarding writs, so you can go for Supreme Court. It is the remedies of article. So 226, power of High Court to issue writs for High Court, and 139 deals with Supreme Court. Article 280, that is Finance Commission. And Article 30A related to right to property. Basically, actually, previously right to property was the fundamental rights, but 44th Amendment of 1978, right to property was removed and make it a legal right under Article 300A. Article 301, freedom of trade, commerce and intercourses. Article 312 deals with the All India Service. Article 320, function of public service commissions. Article 324, that is the election of commissioner, chief election commissioner. Article 24 deals with the chief election commissioner. Article 326, right to vote. Article 352, this is the emergency power of president, proclaim emergency. So it is indirectly called national emergency. Article 356, that is president rule. Basically, provision of emergency in case of failure of constitutional machinery in the state. So in that case, president rule will be adopted a particular state by the president. Okay. Article 360, that is financial emergency, and till date there is no financial emergency in India was conducted. And remember, for national emergency, India has been called for 3 times national emergency. Once, that is India Pakistan war 1961 to 62, and second one is 1971 to 72, that is India Pakistan. And first one is India China, second was India Pakistan, and third was in Indira Gandhi's government. Article 368, that is deals with the power of parliament to amend constitution. So basically, whenever a new bill or something passed, the amendment will be act. So that is done with the article number 368. So that's all about the important articles. This is the most important articles regarding your exams. Okay, so for more videos of like this, do subscribe and like the button. Thank you everyone, all the best.